Hello guys, in this video we will talk about the first property of alkali metals, that is a reaction with air. In air we have two major components, one is the oxygen and the other is nitrogen. So we will have a check on how oxygen and nitrogen react with alkali metals. First let's go for oxygen. Let me say to you, we have these elements: lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium. So lithium reacts with oxygen to form only oxides, that is lithium forms only oxides, Li2O. Sodium forms with oxygen sodium peroxide, that's Na2O2, while these rest show a similar trend. With oxygen they form MO2, that is superoxide. So lithium forms only oxide, sodium forms peroxide, and the rest form superoxide. So why this kind of trend? Let me say to you, the trend is because of the lattice energy effects. Lattice energy effects. So what is that lattice energy effects? Let we discuss that. Lattice energy, as per lattice energy effects, we have to keep in mind that if a larger cation is satisfied by larger anion, then the lattice energy decreases as compared to the one in which larger cation is satisfied with a smaller anion. So what here is lithium, it is a small ion, smallest of all of them. So it reacts with oxygen, O2 negative oxide ion, so it is the smallest of the rest of the three. So in all of the three, sodium a bit bigger, reacts with a bit bigger, that is O2 negative, 2 negative, sorry, and the rest of the three, that is M represents these three, potassium, rubidium, cesium, they react with the biggest ion, that is O2 negative. That's right. This trend is shown by the alkali metals. The next property over here, and the next reaction over here, is nitrogen. For nitrogen, if it is asked in the examination, you have to keep it in mind. Nitrogen reacts only with lithium and doesn't react with the rest of the others. Now why so? Because it doesn't have any reason here to be explained. It's beyond the scope of this discussion, but you have to keep it in mind that lithium only reacts with nitrogen to form Li3N. And it is its anomalous property of lithium that separates it from the rest of the alkali metals. Now here you have to also keep it in mind that it is also a diagonal relationship of lithium with magnesium, and that's also satisfied with the reaction of lithium with nitrogen. Magnesium reacts with nitrogen to form Mg3N2, and also lithium forms Li3N. So you have to keep it in mind that lithium only reacts with nitrogen. So if you asked about reaction of alkali metals with air, in oxygen you have to say lithium reacts with oxygen to form oxide, sodium peroxide, and the rest form superoxide. Whereas with nitrogen only lithium reacts, and lithium forms what we call as Li3N, while the rest don't react at all. So this is the first property. Tomorrow we will discuss, in the next video we will discuss the next property. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and like the video.